Meanwhile, the damaged flood wall in Barangay San Jose and the Tanza Navigational Floodgate in disrepair are chiefly to blame for the community of San Jose going way underwater. Over the weekend, a private contractor and the DPWH are scheduled to mend the flood control system, which was delayed for reasons unknown beginning later tonight. Isaiah Mirafuentes narrates the misery of the folks in evacuation centers and more in this report.
This is how deep the flooding was in Barangay San Jose, Navotas City over the weekend. The water rose up to the neck level. Many houses were almost completely submerged, with only the roofs visible due to the depth of the flood. The damaged flood wall in Barangay San Jose, Navotas is being blamed for the incident. In this video, you can see the strong flow of water entering narrow alleys from the river. Some residents simply made the most of the flood, playing music amid the flooded street. Today, the situation in Navotas has changed. Due to low tides level, there is currently less flooding in the city. The local government of Navotas also placed sandbags as a temporary patch on the damaged flood wall. But the LGU promised this is only temporary.
Actually ho, mamayang gabi ho, mag-umpisa na ho yung construction nung private corporation. Pag-aari ho kasi yan nung HM Arroyo Shipping at saka Rizal Slipway Corporation. Sila ho kasi may-ari yan. Mamayang gabi ho, mag-umpisa na ho sila ng construction at nandun din ho ang DPWH para i-supervise po yung kanilang gagawin.
They aim to finish it by this Friday. The suspected causes of the flood wall damage was the rise in the water level due to the damaged navigational floodgate in Tanza, Navotas. The plan was to repair the damaged navigational floodgate by tomorrow, but it was delayed.
Okay, ganito yung sitwasyon. Supposed to be ho, tapos na sila ngayon ng repair. Kaso lang ho, meron silang external consultant na pina-check ho kung yung quality of work na ginawa. Kasi ayaw namin na gagawin tapos masisira ulit. So we want to make sure na whatever repair po yung ginawa, this will last. Total naman po, yung July 1 to 8 ay mababa naman po yung high tide. At yung possibility po ng pagbaha ay bababa.
For now, there are still families in evacuation centers due to the flooding. The LGU wants to ensure that it's safe for residents to return home. But according to the city DRMO, some families in the unsafe zone will no longer be allowed to return to their homes, but the LGU promised to help them. Isaiah Mirafuentes from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.